Welcome back to Pacific Northwest Explored. Wow, we got some exciting news. We've added a new adventure vehicle to our fleet. Introducing the new DR650 Suzuki. Legendary for reliability and easy maintenance. Just went out on a ride today in Capitol Forest, which is my closest state forest that you can go and do some riding on, just to check it out and get off the pavement. But I'm really happy with DR650 right now. It's a single bore, single cylinder, big thumper 650. It's oil cooled. So it has an oil cooling system on it. This is a 2014 model. It's only got 2,600 miles. I put only a couple of hundred miles on it right now. So 2014. This model really hasn't changed in 30 years. Super reliable, renowned for world kind of dual sport adventure riding. It'll do 70 miles an hour on the freeway. I'll drop some video on here. I've added some giant loop bags for when I do some traveling. That's a quick release here. So this plate will come off and you can grab the bag off there. Same on the other side. And also a giant loop tank bag as well. I plan to do some upgrades here. I want to upgrade the fuel tank, add a Cerbis, at least 2 or 3 more gallons more out of it. But super happy with it so far. Haven't done a lot to it yet. I've added just some guards on it. It's got a new clutch lever that was kind of bent in from the previous owner. Giving it a good oil change. She fires up really well. And I'm just going for a ride today. So stick around. If you're into DR650 and you do a lot of adventuring in the Pacific Northwest, I plan to add a lot more riding and adventure videos to my channel, with maybe even some camping. Plan to go to Moab as well, so stay tuned and hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the trail or out on the road adventuring. Here we are winding up into Capitol State Forest. It's a beautiful area, but it's also a working forest. Sustainable forestry. Washington State DNR helps manage all the trust lands here, about 3 million acres of sustainable forestry. They also look after recreation on public lands, on DNR managed trust lands, and some natural areas as well as other activities. It's a pretty cool area to ride. When I'm not making these adventure films, I actually work for DNR in the Wildland Fire Aviation Program as a drone pilot. So I support all the wildland firefighters out on fires in the summer, eyes in the sky, and thermal work, that sort of thing. So I really enjoy exploring DNR managed lands, and think you will too. I hooked up with Todd and Cathy today, a couple of good friends that we also do a lot of paddling adventures together, so stick around, you might see them in another episode. Mount Rainier. let's get the drone up and check out sustainable forestry here in Capitol Forest. These looks like a lot of healthy trees here in different stages of harvest. As we're coming up here on a recent harvest, you can see the leaf trees managed for habitat and conservation values. We also have a lot of recreation opportunities in Capitol Forest. There's mountain biking and hiking and single track and double track and designated camping areas too. You can see from a firefighter perspective, there's a lot of good defensible areas here between forestry blocks, so that's always good to see. We're panning up here to the top of Capitol Peak where there's cell towers. The gate was locked up at Capitol Peak, but here's a clip from a previous trip in my first gen Tacoma. Well, here we are at the top of Capitol Peak. Woo! Not much to see today. Wow.
We can go either way. We can make a big loop if we go this way.
I'm tracking. So we are right at the sea line and 4010, C410. Capitol Forest. Plenty to ride here and the trails aren't even open yet. Nice 90-mile ride today from the house. Came in on the C line over to the Porter Creek area and looped back on the B line and the C4000.
There's a lot of people out here.
More than we see when the place is open.
Yeah.
Main reasons I purchased this motorbike was for its capability off-road and on-road. I can simply ride right from my house. If you're a DR fan, smash that bell and subscribe for more DR650 adventures in North America. Check out my paddling and snow adventures here.